Hello students. So in this session we are going to start CE2 solution for test 2. है Now let's start with the question number 1. So here we have question 1 and it says the value of x for which the maximum value of root 3 cos x plus sin x is possible. Okay. So first of all, if we see this root 3 cos x plus sin x, we can write if you divide it with 2 and divide and multiply with 2, so 2 into, we can write root 3 by 2 cos x plus 1 by 2 sin x. Okay, so I hope this is okay for you. Now you know this root 3 by 2 is nothing but sine 60 degree into cos x plus 1 by 2 is nothing but cos 60 degree, and here we have sin x. Got it? Now if you see here, sin 60 cos is nothing but, we can write this whole expression, given expression till here to here as sin 60 plus x. Got it? Okay, now till here this is clear. Now coming to the next part of this problem. So here if you see, sin 60 plus x lie in between 1 to minus 1. Okay, I hope you are not getting confused with sin x. Sin x also lie between 1 and minus 1. So here if you change the theta, this x value, and x is nothing but input. For any input, this particular sin x is nothing but lie in between 1 and minus 1. So this is why here maybe input is x plus 60, but still the output will be in between 1 and minus 1. Because maximum value of sin x is 1 and minimum is minus 1. Sin x cannot go beyond and give you a value which is more than 1 and less than minus 1. So this is the reason. Now if this is lie in between here, so by multiplying with 2 to this particular expression, yeah, inequality, we can say we will have minus 2 and then 2 sin 60 plus x less than equal to 2. Now we can say here this 2 sin 60 plus x lie in between minus 2 and 2. So maximum value of this is nothing but 2. So here this is equal to this one and the maximum value is 2. So the maximum value of this given expression is nothing but 2. Now if this is the maximum value, can we write like this? 2 sin 60 plus x, sorry, less than equal to 2. So sin 60 plus x less than equal to 1. If this is less than equal to 1, then we can say sin 60 plus x less than equal to 90. Because if sin will go this side, this will become sin inverse 1. And sin inverse 1 is nothing but 90. So here this x is nothing but less than equal to 90 minus 30. So this is equal to, sorry, 90 minus 60. So 90 minus 60 is nothing but equal to 30. So our answer is nothing but option A, which is 30 degree. Got it? So this is how you can find this. So if you want to summarize, you can summarize. First write this whole given expression in terms of sine of some theta. Then try to get the maximum and minimum value of the given, find obtain expression, then assume the maximum value, because in the question they are asking the maximum value, and then you can find the x. So I hope this is clear for you. Now going to the next question, question number 2. Here question number 2 we have, and it's saying if theta lie in between, okay, theta lie in the second quadrant and this is given to you, then find the value. Okay, so here you do one thing, just try to take the LCM of this one given expression. So LCM is nothing but root under 1 plus sin theta into root under 1 minus sin theta. Okay, so the numerator will become, see, this minus sin theta. So okay, before this you just try to visualize, we can write this one as 1 minus sin theta divided by root under 1 plus sin theta, plus here we can have 1 plus sin theta and divided by 1 minus sin theta, correct? So if this is the case, then here we can write, by taking the LCM of these two, we can have, see, LCM of this is nothing but root under 1 minus 1 plus sin theta, then into we have 1 minus sin theta, and numerator will become, if 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta from here, and then plus 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. I hope this is clear. Okay, now from here if you simplify the given expression, then we will have this 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta will give you 1 minus sin theta plus, because root get cancelled, and then we have 1 plus sin theta, and in denominator we will have root under 1 square minus sin square theta. Now here this sin and sin will get cancelled, so we have 2 by root under, now this is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta, which is nothing but cos square theta, so we will have 2 by cos square theta, sorry, cos theta, because from root this will come as a cos, so cos theta. Now 2 by cos theta is equal to nothing but 2 sec theta, and here in the question this is given here, theta lie in the second quadrant. If theta lie in the second quadrant, so you all know, in the second quadrant, in second quadrant, sec is negative, so final answer is minus 2 sec theta, option, let me check the option B is the correct, so here option B, minus 2 sec theta. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now next question we have is question number 3, and here it is given, if sin pi cos theta equal to cos pi sin theta, then find the value of cos theta plus pi by 4. Okay, so let's see this one, how we can do. Now here we can write this given expression as sin pi cos theta equal to sin pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. Okay, so here this sign we can cancel out, so we will have pi cos theta, sorry, equal to pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. Now here we can cancel this out, pi and pi, so we will have cos theta equal to, sorry, 1 by 2 minus sin theta. Correct now? Now this sin theta we can write like this: cos theta plus sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Now if this is 1 by 2, then here we can say, okay, let's do one thing. Multiply with 1 by root 2 to all the sides. So 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. So here 1 by root 2 is equal, we can say here this is nothing but cos theta, sorry, cos pi by 4 cos theta, because this is 1 by root is nothing but cos pi by 4 cos theta plus sin pi by 4 sin theta equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Now here this one we can write cos, okay. Now if you see here, okay, here one thing you can see, if we write sin pi by 2 plus theta, this is equal to cos theta, या sin pi by 2 minus theta, this is also equal to cos theta, which means here this can be plus minus, this can be also plus minus, this can be also plus minus, and this is how this can be also minus plus if this will come this side. So here two conditions possible for us. Case number one, plus and minus. So now let's say this is not plus, this is minus, then we will have cos pi by 4 plus theta, which is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. So the answer for the question is nothing but, yeah, you can say plus minus in both the cases. So answer for the question is nothing but 1 by 2 root 2 is the value of this given cos theta plus pi by 4. Got it? So option B is the correct option. Now let's move to the next question, question number 4. Okay, in this question we have given root 3 cot 20 degree minus 4 cos 20 degree. So this particular given expression we can write root 3 cos 20 degree by sin 20 degree minus 4 cos 20 degree. And if you take the LCM, this will become root 3 cos 20 minus 4 cos 20 sin 20 divided by sin 20. Now here root 3 we can write by taking 2 common, something like this, 2 into root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus, now see this cos 20 sin 20 we can write it as 2 into sin 40. Okay, now here this is sin 20. So this particular root 3 by 2 and this root 3 by 2 we can write as a sin 60. And so if this is sin 60, then we will have 2 sin 60 cos 20, correct, and then minus 2 sin 40 divided by sin 20. Okay, now if this is sin 20, then here this sin 60 cos 22 we can write it as 2 sin 60. So here we can write this one on, you everyone know the formula, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, correct now? So which means here sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, correct now? So now this will become 2. Okay, so this will become sin 80 plus sin 40 minus 2 sin 40 and then divided by sin 20. Now this sin 40 and 2 sin 40 will subtracted and get 1 sin 40. So we will have sin 80 minus sin 40 divided by sin 20. Now once again apply the formula, correct, and we will have 2 cos a plus b by 2. So this will become 80 plus 40 by 2 and into sin 80 minus 40 by 2 and divided by sin to 20. Okay, so from here we will have 2 cos 60 sin 40 divided by sin 20. Sin 40, no sorry, this is sin 20 because 80 minus 40 give you 40, 40 by 2 is 20. So this is 20. So now sin 20 get cancelled out. So we will have 2 cos 60. Now cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 2 into 2 get cancelled. So we will have 1. So the final answer we will have is nothing but option A. Okay. So now let us move to the next question, which is nothing but question number 5. So for this question, one very important formula we have, is nothing but a plus b का whole cube is equal to aq plus bq plus 3ab a into a plus b. Okay, so if we start sin alpha whole square, sorry, sin x whole square plus cos x square का whole cube, which is nothing but equal to sin to the power 6x plus cos x to the power 6 plus 3 sin square x cos square x into x plus cos square x. Now if you see this one, from here we can have this is nothing but equal to 1. So 1. Now take all these things to this side. Okay, this will also become 1. So 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x become sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x. Now from here we can do one thing. We can take 3 to the power 4 and then you can have 2 sin x cos x का whole square equal to same thing, correct now? So now this is nothing but 3 by 4 we have. Okay, now this is how much we have. This will be equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin 2x. Yes, sin square 2x, correct now? Now we all know sin x lie in between 1 and minus 1. So sin square x will lie in between 1 and 0. If this is lying here, then to get this multiply with minus 3 by 4. So we will have 0 less than equal to minus 3 by 4 sin square x less than equal to minus 3 by 4. Now we need to add plus 1 because here it's given. So 1 less than equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square less than equal to, if you add plus 1 it will become 1 by 4, correct? And this whole thing we can rewrite as 1 by 4 and less than equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square x and then less than equal to 1. So here we can say this value k belongs to interval 1 by 4 because this whole thing is k, correct? This is equal to sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x, and that is equal to k, and k is lying in between 1 by 4 to 1. Got it? So option is C, correct option. Okay, now let's see the next question, question number 6. Okay, in this question we have to find the interval of y and it is given as sin 3 theta divided by sin theta. So the sin 3 theta we can write 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by sin theta. Once you take sin theta common, then we will have 3 4 sin square theta. Now from here this is simple, correct? Because sin theta lie in between 1 and minus 1. So sin square theta lie in between 1 and 0. If this is lying here, then we can have 0 minus 4 sin theta whole square less than equal to minus 4. Correct. Now add plus 3 to all the side. So if you add plus 3, you will get 3 less than equal to minus 3 minus 4 sin square theta less than equal to minus 1. So here this you can write y belongs to 3 and minus 1. So here y belongs to minus 1 and 3. So this is the answer option A. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's see the next question, question number 7. Here in this question, they are asking the maximum value of this one. Okay, so maximum value, first of all, just try to analyze this given expression. We have 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta plus 7. Now you know this 7 is positive, correct? So maximum value of this, let's say this is y. So y is maximum when this whole things sorry. Okay, yes. So here this whole thing is going to be maximum when this denominator is minimum. Correct now? This is minimum when this is minimum. Correct? Now let's see. All of you know if we have sin theta 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta, then this one have the maximum value 3 square plus 4 square root under, which is nothing but 25 root under 25, which is 5. So the maximum value of this is 5 and the minimum value of this is how much? Minus 5. So max 5 and minimum is minus 5. So here we need this maximum y, so we can put here minimum. So this will become how much? 1 by minus 5 plus 7, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the maximum value of this one. I think here some error is there. So correct answer is 1 by 2 maximum value and the minimum value is 1 by 12. Why 1 by 12? Because this is maximum. So y minimum we have 1 by 5 plus 7, which is nothing but 1 by 12. Got it? So maybe some mistake is there in the option. So correct answer for this question is 1 by 2 maximum value of the given expression. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Let us move to the next question. So in this question, question number 8, we have given expression cosec square theta minus sec square theta divided by cosec square theta plus sec square theta. So from here we can do one thing, write this cosec square theta by 1 by sin square theta minus 1 by cos square theta whole divided by 1 by sin square theta plus 1 by cos square theta. If you take the LCM and simplify, this will become cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, so from here if we can see, then we can say this particular thing is nothing but 1. So we will have cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now cos square theta and sin square theta we have, and here it's given theta is equal to 1 by root 7. Correct? You know, all of you know the triangle rule. So if this is theta, then tan theta is 1 by root 7 means perpendicular is 1 opposite side, and this is root 7. So hypotenuse is nothing but how much? Root under 8. If this is root under 8, why 8? Because 1 square plus root 7 square is equal to 7. So we will have root 8. Now this is why cos theta we can say cos theta is nothing but from here cos theta will be root 7 by root 8, sin theta will be 1 by root 8. Clear? So here we will have whole square minus 1 by root 8 का whole square. So 7 by 8 plus minus 1 by 8. So we will have how much? 6 by 8, which is nothing but 3 by 4, and 3 by 4 is the option B. So that is the only correct option. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let us move to the next question, question number 9. Okay, so in this question, question number 9, we have cos square pi by 4 plus theta minus sin square pi by 2 minus theta. So here actually some misprinting is there. This would be 4. The question is cos square pi by 4 plus theta minus sin square pi by 4 minus theta. And please remember, if we have cos square A minus sin square B, then this is nothing but equal to cos A plus B minus into cos A minus B. Okay, so from this formula we can write this one as cos pi by 4 plus theta plus pi by 4 minus theta into cos pi by 4 plus theta minus of pi by 4 minus theta, which become minus pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, now here we can see this theta got cancelled, this pi by 4 got cancelled, so we'll have cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is nothing but pi by 2, and here cos 2 theta. Now cos pi by 4 is 0, so 0 into cos 2 theta is equal to 0. So option A is the correct option. Okay, now the next question we have is question number 10. Okay, in this question they are asking to find the range. Okay, now the range of f of x. So here f of x is given to us as 1 by 2 minus cos 3x. So finding the range, we all know cos 3x lie in between 1 and minus 1. So here we can start from here this particular expression and we go till here. So we can write multiply both the sign with minus 1. So we will have plus 1 less than equal to minus cos 3x less than equal to minus 1. Now add plus 2 to all the sides. So 2, if you add 2, this will become 3. 2 minus cos 3x greater than equal to, if you add 2 this side, this will become plus 1. Correct? Yes. Now Here this is given as a reciprocal. So take the reciprocal 1 by 3, then inequality sign will change and we will have 1 by 2 minus cos 3x less than equal to 1. So our answer is basically y lie in between 1 by 3 equal to 1. Clear? So option C is the correct option. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you. So in this part we will have total 10 questions. In the next part, once again I will record the 10 questions. Okay. Thank you very much.